One of the most compact keyboard sizes available, 60% keyboards typically feature between 62 to 68 keys, omitting the number pad, function row, F1 through F12, arrow keys, and other miscellaneous keys such as home and delete. Often called compact or programming keyboards, 60% designs have seen a surge in popularity with the ascension of custom mechanical keyboard building, fueled by tech YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and esports pros. The best 60% keyboards offer a comfortable, ergonomic, and sleek typing experience. Number 1. Ducky 12 Mini. Simply put, the Ducky 12 Mini is an outstanding 60% keyboard. What it lacks in flair or fancy software it makes up for in build quality, with stellar body, keycap, and key switch feel. Typing on this keyboard feels joyful. Anyone mourning the loss of function or arrow keys can rest easy using the Ducky 12 Mini. As is common in 60% keyboards, nearly every key pulls double duty, able to input additional commands by holding down keys like Fn. Nearly every key has side-printed legends showing the key's hidden functionality, making this keyboard more accessible for users new to the 60% form factor. The excellent build quality, plug-and-play design, customizable backlighting, and informative keycaps make the Ducky 12 Mini one of the easiest 60% keyboards to recommend. Number 2. Drop-Alt. The Drop-Alt is an enthusiast keyboard, offering incredible build quality and type feel above all else. It does not come with any flashy features like Bluetooth connectivity or volume sliders. Instead, the Drop-Alt is focused on build quality, with an all-aluminum frame, durable and legible keycaps, adjustable magnetic feet, and stellar backlighting. We particularly appreciated the addition of a second USB-C port, meaning we could easily plug in accessories like mice or game controllers. While the Drop-Alt doesn't feature wireless connectivity or exceptional software customization, it does offer more physical tinkering in the form of hot swappable key switches. That means you can easily swap out individual key switches, mixing or matching to create your ideal typing experience. For typing enthusiasts, hot swapping, along with amazing build quality, the Drop-Alt sets a high watermark among compact keyboards. Number 3. Pro 2. The Pro 2 does the unthinkable. It provides solid functionality and a great typing experience in an enthusiast 60% keyboard, without charging an arm and a leg for it. For less than $100, the Pro 2 gives you wired and Bluetooth wireless connectivity, with the ability to swap among 4 different devices in wireless mode. It also offers strong software customization. You can easily adjust key inputs, change wireless settings, program key backlighting, and even create custom commands all through the easy-to-use OpenSkit software. Great connectivity, software, and typing feel make the Pro 2 an excellent budget 60% keyboard on its own merits. The fact that it only costs $89 is the icing on the cake. Number 4. Kinesis TKO. If you are considering the 60% form factor primarily for ergonomics, the Kinesis TKO takes ergonomic customization to another level. 60% keyboards generally offer ergonomic comfort for gaming by making it easier to tilt your keyboard, minimizing wrist movement. The Kinesis doubles down on ergonomic control by including not 2, but 4 feet underneath the case, which allows you to reverse tilt or tent your keyboard by elevating the left or right side. Another standout feature of the Kinesis TKO is its split spacebar. While you can use a traditional spacebar, the TKO includes 3 smaller spacebars, all of which can be programmed to enter different inputs. Aesthetics-wide, this keyboard is flashy, with customizable backlit keys as well as bar lighting accenting each side of the keyboard. While the lighting is fun, the real selling point of the Kinesis TKO is its ergonomic angling options. Number 5. Fanatic Streak 65 LP. The Fanatic Streak 65 LP is an esports-focused keyboard with low-profile keys, which travel less distance between the upright position and fully pressed. Usually, using a low-profile keyboard means sacrificing some comfort for a thin keyboard and/or quicker inputs. In the Streak 65's case, though, you get the best of both worlds, a comfortable typing experience and snappy actuation. It also features some unique bells and whistles for a 60% keyboard, including 4 dedicated macro keys that you can customize via Fanatic's OP software. It isn't without flaws, though. The compressed block of keys feels a bit cramped, even among smaller compact keyboards. Still, the small and lightweight design does make the Streak 65 LP ideal for small spaces and competitive players who carry their keyboards with them.